Good morning, everyone. My name's Mike. My channel is MDH5169. Thank you so much for tuning in to today's video. It is Saturday morning. It is bright and early, and when I say bright and early, I mean 7:22 in the a.m. It's a little chilly out. It's 54 degrees this morning, and we are on our way up to Ironstone Vineyard and Murphy's. Going to go up and meet up with a really good friend of mine, and going to check out some really cool cars. So let's have some fun. All right, so we made it up here successfully. It was a very nice drive. Looks like a pretty good crowd, not too bad, but now we need to call Wade because he has my ticket.
Hello, this is the Travis residence.
Wade, you're supposed to answer your phone, man. I drove an hour and a half up here. I'm waiting for you. Give me a call back. By the way, it's Mike. Okay, this is exactly how I want you guys to meet Wade for the first time on YouTube, coming out of the porta potty. Love you, man. Love you, buddy.
Yeah.
No.
I want my ticket back.
In all seriousness, Wade and I have been friends for what, 4 or 5 years now. We're like brothers. I actually bought a car off him, and we've just been really close ever since. So you guys finally get to meet Mr. Wade Travis.
You bought my book first. Then you came back a week later and bought my car.
Yes.
You gotta check out the motor.
It's Morgan, isn't it? I am being told this is owned by Mr. Wayne Carini, so.
He's just really busy and too many other commitments.
He's not here, but his car's here. So Wayne, we're gonna take your car.
Mike?
All right, this is Wade's 56 Dodge. Creaks and all. Now how cool is that dash? The back seat you can actually stretch out in.
It works. I mean, it runs. It's just that.
Yeah. You're lucky to see one of these, much less 4 of them at one point. One time.
No, you know what? No. They normally have these right up there underneath the ironstone hedges, which are perfect. These cars look perfect next to that ironstone. Well, you hear the...
It had a Carmel back in the day.
That sounds neat.
That does. Front tire kept loose. Yeah. So I took the tire into the place. Took it off very carefully. Get the MGs in the background.
Yeah, you cannot get a cooler dash than that. Instrumentation, that is awesome. That is just... They just don't make them like that anymore. He just called you sweetheart.
We're down to 10. Where are you from?
So now I'm like down to 2/3 of my living.
We say bucket list car again. Gorgeous in black.
My little 37 pickup. I can't take it. It's got a flat head in it.
They're prone to that.
Yeah. And now anytime I go into the long distance, I'm I've also noticed that in next to battery
take a ride in the Amphicar. Amphicar?
Amphitheater.
Something. Anyway, why are we doing this? Why wouldn't you?
So, why not? You got to do it once in your life.
Exactly.
Bucket list, I'm telling you.
I'm telling you.
The Ampicars are coming out of the drink out here onto the pavement to load and unload.
Oh, awesome.
So,
I mean, we don't have to swim out to them?
nope.
Is it fun?
Very fun.
Absolutely. Perfect.
Awesome.
Are you my next victim?
There's a rumor going around, yeah.
He just drives right down in that mess.
It's not natural. That's what makes it so much fun.
We're next.
And away we go.
So how many knots will this thing do?
They were known as the 770, which is 7 knots on the water, 70 miles an hour, but I think they're more of a 555. They were the fastest car on water, and they were the fastest boat on land. And they were also known as a lousy car and a lousy boat.
didn't have this right here, that little pattern.
The ultimate hot rod. That's when a trunk was really a trunk.
Well, the first time.
Opportunity. And FFA and 4-H are selling tickets for the Moto raffle. And $50 each or $6 for $100.
Right there, that was intended for golf clubs. You had money when you drove one of these. For those of you watching that don't know what a Pierce arrow is, this is it. Flathead.
One of my cars. It's the most photographed part of the car. And it's one of them. Yeah.
That is going to be.
She said you're such a gentleman. I said, no. What the hell is all this? I need all the points.
And it won an award. That's just cool.
Let me answer it first.
Can you imagine racing in one of these big beasts?
Yeah, their head stuck way up above. You rolled it, you broke your neck.
You were done.
Now that's a Kristen car right there.
Don't tempt her.
I'll bet this can outrun the Gremlin.
Oh, somebody's being called out. The challenge has been thrown down. Look at that shifter. 1937 Cord. These are really cool cars. Flip up headlights. How is that for some engineering? Oh my gosh. That is beautiful.
it was an option. If you look at the over here on his build sheet. There's a build sheet over here. Believe me, I was looking for something.
It is for sale.
All right, guys, so that's going to conclude today's festivities. I want to thank Wade for inviting me. I had a really good time. Food was good. Cars were awesome. You know, you just see a different kind of car at a Concours event, and that's what this was. This is a Concours event up at Ironstone Vineyard, and it's just a beautiful atmosphere, great place to check out cars. The Amphicar was fun. That was a blast. Had a really good time doing that, and that was worth the price of admission alone. But got to meet a lot of really cool people and see a lot of really cool cars. So it was a good time. Had a good time. Definitely do it again. And I'm thinking maybe next year I'll even take a vehicle up. So with that, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you're stopping in for the first time, browse my other videos and subscribe. I think you'll really like the channel. And with that, God bless. Take care. Have an outstanding day.